Now for today's keto recipe, we're going to be talking about pizza. And for those on keto, it's usually the base that's the problem. And we've been experimenting now for a few weeks, and we've come up with a really good base. In fact, it's so good we often eat the base before we can get the topping on it. So I'm going to share that with you today. So let's get started. So the last thing to do now is to try it. Holding its shape well. Beautiful. You should try this. Now if you enjoyed this video, please like and share it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you'd like notification when the next video comes out, if you scroll down and click the bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get notification the next time. And we'd love to hear from you. If you have any comments, Below this video is the comment section. Leave us a message there. Thank you very much for watching.